Lagay na natin ang okay na to. Okay na to. Lagyan natin to ng condensed, tsaka evap milk. And condensed milk lagyan natin. Condensed milk. Tapos ice. Dagdagan pa natin ng mangga. MJ Angel sa'yo. Hi mga mommies! Today, ay gagawin ko yung most requested content mula sa inyo, ang kitchen tour. Fun fact, kitchen yung pinaka-favorite kong part ng bahay. Kasi nga, dito ako nagluluto, pagkatapos dito din ako nagpo-content. Tapos every time na nandito ako sa kitchen, iba yung saya sa puso ko talaga. Ito naman yung ref kung saan nakalagay yung food at saka yung drinks namin. Ito naman yung mga cabinets. Dito nakalagay yung aming mga utensils, bowls, at kung ano-ano pa. Ito naman yung pinakasikat na part ng kitchen ko. Dito ako nagluluto. And ito yung stove ko na palagi nyo nakikita sa mga vlogs. Wait lang, nakakahiya. MJ, linisan muna natin to, may dumi.
Bilang nanay na mahilig maglinis araw-araw, ginagamit ko itong Zonrox Multi-Clean Floral Blast sa iba't ibang parte ng aming bahay. Sa mesa, lababo, sahig, banyo at kung saan-saan pa. Base sa experience ko mga mami, tumatagal ang bango up to 48 hours when used pure. Tsaka sabi ng Zonrox, it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria including the COVID-19 virus. Kahit magluto ako the following day, assured ako na malinis at mabango pa rin ang aking kitchen. Plus, affordable at presyong sulit pa. Bango linis!
Okay na to. Araw-arawin ang bango, linis with Zonrox Multi-Clean. That's it for the kitchen tour, guys. Syempre, dapat meron tayong masarap na ulam pagkatapos natin mag-kitchen tour. That's it for today, mga mami. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking first kitchen tour. Okay na to.
Morton's The Steakhouse opened their first branch here in the Philippines, kaya tara, come with me as we try their prime 2-course power lunch. If you're looking for a place perfect for family celebrations, business meetings, and date nights, Morton's is the perfect place for you. While waiting for our orders, let's enjoy their big complimentary bread. And the reason why we are here, we tried their prime 2-course power lunch. Starting at 1,780 pesos, you can choose your soup or salad, choice of side, choice of entree, and dessert. Of course, hindi pwedeng hindi natin matry ang kanilang famous ribeye steak. The best steak anywhere talaga. Okay na okay to for me. We also tried their desserts at naging instant favorite ko itong legendary chocolate cake. Okay na to. Sarap! Here's their menu, just pause for your reference. They also have a wide selection of award-winning wines. So if you're a wine lover, this is the right place for you too. Love the experience here at Morton's The Steakhouse. The ambience is unmatched with elegant dining rooms. They have the highest quality of USDA prime aged steaks, always fresh seafood, and excellent service. Can't wait to come back for our next family celebrations. Morton's The Steakhouse surprised us with an early Mother's Day treat.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Happy Mother's Day, Nana.
Happy to try their Mother's Day special steak and seafood meal for only 5,950 pesos. Sarap! It also comes with choice of Caesar salad and sauteed spinach.
Cheers!
Celebrate Mother's Day at Morton's The Steakhouse. Nag-crave ulit ako ng favorite kong grilled salmon from Chili's. Kaya tara, come with me as we have our Mother's Day lunch here at Chili's Tomas Morato. While waiting for our orders, try muna natin itong viral mozzarella sticks. Crispy, melty at sobrang nakaka-addict. 10 out of 10 for me. Tuwing bumabalik kami sa Chili's, we always order their all for me. Big servings, perfect for sharing with family. Sarap! Starting May 1 to June 30, 2025, Margarita Madness is back. Unlimited margarita for only 450 pesos. Perfect for chill celebrations. Wow. Thank you. Sweet naman. One of our favorite family spot talaga itong Chili's. Kaya we always go back no matter what celebration we have. See you again soon, Chili's.
Bili kayo mga bata, mura-mura lang, buy one take one.
Fresh na fresh ang mga kidney niya. Tender juicy. Dalawa, classic.
I want apple.
O, apple daw. Sige, kuha kay masarap apple dito eh.
So guys, maghahanap tayo ng gummy bear.
Anong hanapin natin?
Gummy bear. Oh, lol, lollipop. Hindi kasi sa bibig natin.
Gusto mo yan?
Yes. Kinakain namin ito ni Kuya Bastiet.
Gusto mo yan?
Hindi yun.
Sige. Tagisa kayo.
Hindi ng mga bata. Daming.
Chicken malaman lang.
Simula bata pa lang ako, my mom has been my best teacher and biggest supporter. Siya ang naghahatid sa akin sa school, nagtuturo ng assignments, at syempre, nagluluto for my baon. Ngayon, my mom has made a mark as an online influencer. This time, I'll help her with her passion and be her #1 supporter naman.
Okay na to. Okay ka doon, ha? Nakuha mo?
Okay na to, mami. Edit ko na po. Hindi teki si mami, kaya tinutulungan ko siya sa pag-shoot, nag-edit ng videos, hanggat pag-upload nito sa socials niya. Buti mabilis lang ang process with a reliable internet connection.
Maganda yung ano.
Uploader po kasi.
Okay na ba yung video natin?
Yes, mami. Malapit na matapos.
Thank you, Yuan. Sobrang maasahan ka talaga. Kakarelayan wala.
Maganda, oh.